many bandits and forsworn.
Hey everyone, yeah, I need to go to sleep. This is getting crazy, but thank you to the Reddit community for asking the questions. I feel a lot of love, while other people tell me, oh, Reddit, no, a lot of love I feel, thank you.
What
check
is
this
it?
out. It's done. So, there are no lines, and I'll do it tomorrow. Check this out. Take the lead. So he says something, and then you can see on top, Skeever told me I can call him if I want to stop. So we can do it either way. Just
Which
go
one?
wherever you want to go, and go to any shrine.
Are we
you want to
walking
go
there
to.
or running?
Now you can choose either run or walk, and that means you will have to follow him by yourself manually, or you can do the.
Are we walking there
You
or
know this one?
running?
And it doesn't matter if you walk or run. Let's say
What a
running.
surprising outcome of an answer you presented.
Now you can also imagine today, it was really fun to imagine that, you know, you can have a mage, a tank, an archer, a cleric, all with you. So you're following Skeever and all your gang is following you. And it's pretty awesome because your gang can handle a lot bigger monsters. I did enemies. I did a test. Oh, by the way, you can enter the menu now. You can take out your guns. You can go to your inventory. You can place flame here. You can't aim this, okay? But you can do that, and you can put your arms back. Now, what's the new thing? In Magic, you go to powers, and it says Skeever stop, and you select that power. This is while it's automated, so super cool. And then Skeever stop. I should call Skeever because Skeever told you that. He will tell you that in voice. There was a line over there, and there was a pop-up message. I should call Skeever and ask him to stop leading us now. And that's it. All I need to do is hit my Z key, which is the power key. And well, he stopped because Skeever stopped. But anyways, let's do it again. So that's it. It stopped.
What is it?
Well, let's check it out again. Take the lead.
I would be happy to. Where is it that we are going to?
Anywhere, it doesn't
Which
matter.
one? Are we walking there?
Running. Now
Of course
this
we
time
are.
I didn't choose the automated one, so this time I have full control. So this is the original feature. However, I click Z again, poof, that's it. It's coming back. You just click
My
Z.
wonderful sword gives me so much
So,
joy, yet
there
gives
you
our
go,
enemies
that's-
so much pain. It's an unfair life,
That's
you
it.
know.
I mean, there is a plan to make the leading system even better, but I'm not going to tell you what it is. So this is enough. This is enough for now. Good night. Let's end this.